Hello everyone. Let's take a look at the MeasureSquare mobile iPad update coming this August. First, we have a redesigned tools menu with a better visual layout, so it's much easier to find the tools you need to get the job done. We've also added the distance meter icon to the top of the menu. It will also show you the color indication if it's connected or not. So if it disconnects due to inactivity, it'll easily be seen as red, knowing that you've been disconnected, and you can easily reconnect from that menu. We've also added a great new photo markup tool that is accessible from the dashboard icon, either from the home screen or from the takeoff screen at the top. You can easily add different circles and shapes to areas on the photos you've taken, along with arrows, text, and even dimensions to call out areas of interest or problem for your field users and installers. These will also show up on the report for clients and field workers, like installers, for great communication. We've also allowed you to expand the catalog so you can see the names of products and descriptions much easier without having to open each product on their own. As you can see, there's two arrows to expand and then collapse again. These are just a few of the updates coming to the iPad this August. Please update when released to see all of the great changes. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Leave us a comment if you prefer, and have a great day.